This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Saturday, August 3rd of 2013. And we got a couple of hazardous weather highlights for the next several days. First off, starting for today and tonight, there is a high swim risk for the Lake Michigan beaches of northwest lower Michigan. This is going to be north of Grand Traverse Bay. This is going to be due to high waves and rip current possibilities today. There's also a chance of thunderstorms that we're looking at for Tuesday night and Wednesday. This is going to be for all of northern Michigan, and the impacts of those particular thunderstorms are still yet to be determined. So looking at the current weather map, we do have an area of low pressure that was crossing southern Lake Michigan. This low pressure was associated with a cold front that had already pushed through our neck of the woods. All the showers and thunderstorms were associated with this frontal zone that stretched up into the northeast part of the country. In the meantime, there was some high pressure that was already nosing down through the Dakotas and the upper Mississippi River Valley. And as we look into Sunday morning, we're going to see that high pressure gradually builds in over the western Great Lakes region before sliding southeast of us. And then as we head to Wednesday here morning, we're going to have a new area of low pressure that works out of the north central United States and moves into the northern Great Lakes region and Ontario. And then the next cold front is going to move its way across northern Michigan. This particular low pressure and frontal zone will be associated with those chances for thunderstorms Tuesday night and Wednesday. But we do have a great first weekend of August set up for this weekend. We're going to have slightly cool temperatures out there with middle to upper 60s across eastern upper, warming to as warm as the lower half of the 70s, and that's especially going to be true for like Gladwin, Aranac, Iosco counties of northeast lower. Now there might be a period of mostly cloudy skies today, but we're going to see some increased sunshine, not just to start out the day, but for later this afternoon. Now, during that period of mostly cloudy skies, we're also going to have some gusty winds that are going to be going on throughout the day, and that's going to make it feel even cooler outside. However, a great weekend as it is. And now wrapping up the hazards for the next 7 days, we have the moderate to high swim risk today due to rip currents this afternoon and tonight. And again, that is for the Lake Michigan beaches of northwest lower Michigan, north of Grand Traverse Bay. And then the chance for thunderstorms that returns to the region for Tuesday night and Wednesday. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.